happy Women's Day to you.
Thank you.
मेरे लिए वुमेन्स डे एज सच जस्ट द फैक्ट दैट किसी ने एक दिन कुछ ना कुछ करके रिकग्नाइज करने के लिए बनाया है, तो आई एम ओके विद द थॉट एंड उसके चलते हुए अगर कुछ मौका मिल जाता है एड्रेसिंग वुमेन्स इश्यूज या इसके अराउंड बात करने के लिए मौका मिलता है एंड यूजिंग द ओकेजन, तो इट्स नाइस। बाकी ये कहना कि ये एक ही दिन है जहाँ पे वुमेन को रिकग्नाइज करना है और फिर बाकी हम भूल जाते, तो वो इसके बारे में मुझे अभी तो कुछ नहीं कहना। सो जस्ट वांट टू लिव इट इन द मोमेंट। अच्छा है, इट इज नाइस।
For me, I think मैंने बहुत recently realized करा है that something like this is even there, and we've only heard of Children's Day, but I think when somebody thought of this, that there should be an International Women's Day, surely there are some really pressing things जिसको recognize करते हुए ये day आया है। Personally, I think it's a soul-searching time for me because this is what I have seen. मतलब अपने आसपास जिनको मैंने देखा है, whether they are my elders or whether it is my mom, I think from them I have learned a lot. And जब ऐसे दिन आ जाता है तो फिर I think it's another time to just think and see what kind of woman I am, or what is that road that I'm taking. And it's a work in progress, but I think that is what I am seeing this day as, and taking it up as a challenge because being a woman is not easy. That's what I have seen in my life, and it comes with its fair share of limitations and all those things. So I don't know if I'm ready for those things. So I think these are few thoughts that comes to me when I think about this day.
Yeah, my circle is quite fair enough, so we do have the freedom to speak.
I think just the fact that we are saying that we have freedom of speech is freedom of speech. Like if we are talking and even discussing this, I think that in itself says कि हाँ we freedom तो है. So yeah, we have that.
हाँ, कहा है कि फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं कि हम सब कुछ बोल सकते हैं। Our culture has a great impact on us also as an individual, and not to miss out how we are taught from God's word too. So people have to really face the brunt. बिल्कुल ऐसा होता है जहाँ पर कभी-कभी हमने कुछ कह दिया और उल्टा पड़ा है हमें। एनी टाइम समझ में नहीं आता है लोगों को, एटलीस्ट मेरे सर्कल में तो आई हैव फाउंड पीपल नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग माई थॉट लाइन ओनली। मुझे लगता है कि इट इज़ बेसिक एंड सिंपल, लेकिन समहाउ दे फेल टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड, ऐसा लगता है। सो आई हैव हैड मोमेंट्स जहाँ पर आई वांटेड टू नो द रीज़न बिहाइंड सर्टन थिंग्स। आई हैव बीन टोल्ड डोंट आर्ग्यू, और मैंने अगर अपने मन की बात कही है, मन की बात भी क्या कहूँ, जो मैं सोचती हूँ, मन की बात तो कभी कभी बहुत फर्क होती है, लेकिन जो मैं सोचती हूँ वो भी बोला है, तो या उस वक्त जो मैं सोचती थी, तो आई हैव बीन कॉल्ड अ स्टबर्न पर्सन, कि मैं बहुत रिजिड हूँ, तो ऐसा भी है। एंड हाउ मच शुड आई शेयर, मुझे कह रहे लेक्चर मत दो, मुझे नहीं वो सुनना है, तो आई हैव हैड अ लॉट ऑफ दोस थिंग्स ऑल्सो, क्योंकि फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच तो है, तो आई फुल्ली यूज इट ऑल्सो। एट द सेम टाइम यस, देयर आर repercussions for it.
कभी कभार I won't call it a backlash, but definitely my point was not taken. जब भी मैंने कोई चीज़ बोली है और कोई चीज़ ऐसे बोली है तो बैकलैश नहीं मिला, लेकिन उसको कुछ लिया भी नहीं गया। I mean, if I can just say that. So that was enough backlash. मतलब मैं उसको backlash की तरह ले लेती हूँ कि अभी तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता and who are you to say. शायद उस वो जन को ऐसा लगा कि जैसे अपने आप को बहुत बनते हैं हमें ज़्यादा ही सोच है, ज़्यादा ही समझ है, बहुत एटीट्यूड है इन लोगों में. तो ऐसी कुछ चीजें बोली गई है या फिर जताई गई है, रादर बोली तो क्या ही रहेगी कि कौन बोलेगा ऐसा, बट जब जताई गई है कि अच्छा आपको सब नहीं पता. आई थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट मतलब जब बोला है तो यही मिला है, तो आई एम जस्ट काउंटिंग दिस एज अ बैकलैश.
It's very sad that there are very few girls who are serving God, and then to just bracket it in North. तो North में तो वैसे ही लोग सेवा के लिए बहुत कम हैं, तो गर्ल्स तो वैसे ही नहीं आते, तो और ज़्यादा रेशियो कम हो गया. So it is really very sad. But if God can in some way do a miracle which is beyond our understanding or expectation, yeah, जो भी कहें, तो this will be the best thing that can happen to us. In my lifetime, this is what I would really desire to see. I would like to spend a lot more time really challenging young girls that it's worth serving the Lord. It's worth living for God and serving Him, the King of Kings and Lord of Lords. So this is how it is. But then the sad part is many people also in Christian ministry will not really accept girls in certain areas of service. But then I think this is something that we all learn to grow. Being in ministry for some time, I've seen things can be said and things what we really have to really work on is क्या बोले, काफी उसमें चैलेंज है, काफी चैलेंज है. बट देन प्रभु इन सब डिसअपॉइंटमेंट्स के बीच में भी बहुत कुछ काम करता है हमारे ऊपर भी. एंड आई वुड रियली एनकरेज anybody and everybody who's even thinking about it that you will never be a loser, and it's worth coming and serving.
I think like how Didi was saying that हाँ challenging है और लाइफ टाइम का चुनाव है और चॉइस करना पड़ता है. बट आई फील दैट स्पेशली बीइंग वेयर आई एम राइट नाउ, और जो भी प्रभु ने मुझे सिखाया और जब उसने मुझे वो बुलाहट दी, आई थिंक माई हार्ट गोज आउट. If I can just say this, that it feels very sad. अगर प्रभु ने हमारे लिए कुछ किया है तो I think the least that we can do is just stand up, and we can stand up in any way, और किसी भी तरीके से हम खड़े हो सकते हैं. लेकिन जब ये चॉइस मेरे सामने था, I would say that I didn't really have a choice. This was like, this is what God chose me. So it's hard for me to understand कि ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता दूसरों के साथ. If I can just say that, मतलब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता कि इतना भी क्या मुश्किल है. हाँ चैलेंजिंग होता है ये चुनाव करना, लेकिन प्रभु में तो we have so much freedom, and I think अगर वो है तो फिर सब कुछ है. दुनिया में लोग बोलते हैं ना कि अगर वो है तो सब कुछ है. Actually this is the truth, but so this is where I get stuck, जहाँ पे पूछा भी जाता है और आके बोला भी जाता है. And I just feel that until unless God is your whole and soul, I don't think anybody can understand what we are doing और प्रभु की सेवा क्या है. बाकी मन बहुत है और इच्छा बहुत है कि ये जो एहसास है या ये जो डिजायर है वो सबकी बन जाए. And I think this is the reason that I am here for. And I think if I can just pass this on to anybody and everybody out there, whether North Indian, South Indian, any Indian for that matter, कोई भी Indian क्यों ना, I think it is like how Didi is saying, it is worth serving God, and it is one of the best decisions that you can ever take for your life. What to say? I am enjoying it, and I wish that others will also come and be part of this. बोलेंगे लेक्चर देखिए. Just looking again at my family, and I think the way I have been brought up, it's like कि we've only been sisters, like all us elders, our brothers. We've had so many brothers, and girls में बहुत कम लोग रहे हैं. So when I look up to them and then when I see them, there are only few things that, not few, there are many actually, but really keeping God at the center, I think that is the main thing. And if boys, men, if I can just say this, is that find God and allow Him to be the center of your life, because the position of authority that God has given you, I think it is a lot of responsibility. And yes, women are responsible to change the world, but men are also responsible to allow them to change the world. And if they cannot, and they cannot do it on their own, only God can help them do that. And this is what I will tell to all the men in my family, that they would allow God to work in their life, and just let Him be used. But let Him use you for the responsibility that He has given. And until and unless we do that, I don't think anybody can just keep going on. And it's about building houses, it's about building His kingdom. I think this and only this thing can affect everything.
Yes, here is the greatest challenge now there is freedom of speech, but we all need to mince our words also, because freedom is best expressed within boundaries. So not in any way trying to put down anybody. At the same time, I'm just reminded of one quote I was reading the other day, and it said that something like that if men want their women to be angels, then they should provide heaven on earth, because angels don't live in hell. So that really kind of, kept me just bringing a lot of thoughts. Now, who are we to tell what do we have to say to the men? But there will always be a challenge. We always feel sandwiched in what we feel and what we think and what we do. And because both genders are not able to meet at one common point, often we misunderstand one another. So our emotions kind of, take us for a ride, and we, in that whole situation, we kind of bracket people in certain ways. And that is where we feel sandwiched. Having said that, as much as we would like to say to the women that understanding our identity in the Lord, that is quite liberating. Then situations do affect us, we do get pressed, but we are not crushed. And the Lord is the one who carries us through. At the same time, the men also need to work on a lot of things that God has already ordained for them. And if that is in place, then I guess a lot of women will have at least the journey that they want to enjoy, with all the hardships and pains that are there. That will be a little more smoother. That's all. So I think talking, men should talk. They should communicate in the real sense. And real sense means they must say what they mean, and they must mean what they say. And I think this goes vice versa, both for men and women. If we look at each other from God's eyes, I think it will minimize a lot of our struggles. So that's what we would like to share. Thanks for the day. Thanks for all the wishes that they have given us. and thank you for remembering us this way also. It's not just keep it from this day. I think we would love to have it every day.